Have you ever wondered if a computer could read your stress level just by watching your brainwaves? Today, we're diving into a groundbreaking study that's making this a reality, and it's all thanks to a clever AI model called Brainwaves. Let's start with the basics. Stress isn't just a feeling, it's a measurable state that affects our brains. EEG, or electroencephalography, is like a microphone for the brain, picking up electrical signals through sensors on your scalp, but turning those signals into meaningful insights. That's where AI steps in. Brainwaves is a deep learning model designed to classify stress states using raw EEG data. Here's the cool part, it combines three powerful tools. First, convolutional layers act like a magnifying glass, zooming in on patterns in the brain's electrical activity. Then an LSTM unit, think of it as a memory keeper, tracks how these patterns change over time. Finally, a self-attention mechanism highlights the most important moments in the data, like a spotlight on key clues. But how does this work in practice? The researchers tested Brainwaves on the DEAP dataset, which includes EEG recordings from people watching music videos while rating their stress levels. They pre-processed the data with filters to clean the signal and normalized it to account for individual differences. Then the model learned to distinguish between high stress and low stress states. The results? On this standard dataset, Brainwaves achieved 81% accuracy, a strong performance for a system that's also lightweight enough for wearable tech. But what's even more impressive is the statistical significance. A p-value of 0.03 means there's less than a 3% chance these results happened by random chance. This isn't just noise, it's real. What sets Brainwaves apart? Many AI models trade simplicity for complexity, but this one balances accuracy with practicality. Its hybrid architecture, combining CNNs, LSTMs, and attention mechanisms, allows it to capture both spatial and temporal patterns in EEG data while remaining interpretable. Imagine a future where your phone could gently remind you to take a deep breath based on subtle shifts in your brainwaves. But the researchers aren't stopping here. Their next steps include testing the model across diverse populations, so it works for you, not just lab subjects, integrating EEG with other physiological signals like heart rate, and making the AI's decisions easier for doctors to understand. And yes, they're working on real-time performance, like a stress alarm that's always ready. So what's the big picture? Brainwaves isn't just a lab experiment. It's a stepping stone toward everyday mental health monitoring, turning complex brain data into tools that could help millions. Stress is a silent killer, linked to everything from anxiety to heart disease. Early detection could revolutionize care. Thanks for watching. If you're curious about how AI is shaping the future of health, hit subscribe, and let's keep exploring the mind-bending world of science together. Stay curious, and we'll see you next time.